Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today, I'll be showing you how to change hotspot name on iPhone. So first thing is you could just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your device. So guys, to change your hotspot name, you have to change your iPhone name. So to do that, you could just simply go for the general tab. And now from here, you could just simply go ahead and go for the about at the very first option. Now, once you are here, you will have the name at the top. So guys, by changing your name automatically, it will change your hotspot name as well. And pretty much once you have changed it, you will just simply select done and should be able to update your hotspot name. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video, guys.